everyone! We have a new toy to show you, and this one is called The Farmer's Ranch. Let's put it over here. Okay, we have the farmer and his wife. Let's put them over here for now. And they have a horse. Who knows what the horse says? It says, "Ner, ner." Let's put it over in his spot. First, let's open the doors. Let's close the door so the horse can't run away. And they also have a pig. Who knows what the pig says? It says, let's put it in his spot. And his spot is right here. And they also have a cow. Who knows what the cow says? Moo, moo, moo. Let's put the cow in his spot. It's right here. They also have a sheep. Wow, this is a nice sheep. Who knows what the sheep says? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Let's put him in his spot. His spot is right. Let's close the door so the sheep can't run away. They also have left a chicken. And who knows what the chicken says? It says, bark, bark, bark. Let's put him in his spot. His spot is right here. They have a car. And in the car, they have a shovel to flip the dirt. And also this flips the dirt. And they have this to move the leaves. They all go here in the car. Usually, the farm gets in the car and gets food for them. They have broccoli and carrots. He drives. So when the farmer comes back, he gives the vegetables to his wife so she can cook good food. When they're done eating, they go to sleep so they can wake up early and work in the farm again. That's the animal's food. Before the farmer goes to sleep, he puts the car in the garage. Okay, let's close the door. This is the animal's ranch, and he has the farmer and his wife. He has chicken, pig, horse, cow, and a sheep, and a car. Do you like it?
We like it!
There's also a button in the ranch, and if we press it, they're gonna tell us all the animal is in the ranch. Let's hit the button and hear all the sounds of the animals. Let's start it. That's the sheep. That's the bell. That's the chicken. That's the cow. That's the sheep. That's the cat. That's the sheep. That's the bell. That's the chicken. That's